Sometimes people ask me if I like working shifts. I love working shifts. I wouldn't be here if I didn't like it. And it's because of you guys. There's other stuff to do, but you made a decision. You said, let's go find a comedy show. Makes you a good comedy crowd. Sometimes I have to perform at company parties, corporate events, where attendance at my show is required. I try to price myself out of those. The last one I did was for the employees of Sam's Club. They only needed one show, but I made them buy 12 of them. I'd like to thank 4 people for trying to start a round of applause. It did not take. Good effort, though.